So hello, welcome back guys to another video, another suggestion video. So you guys are crazy. You just showed a massive love. We are just hitting 90 views in the past video, in the previous video. That was the part 1 and now I am with part 2. So today is the day Konami is giving you the selection contract in Legends Assemble pack consisting of 15 epic players. So now I have given all the stats, all the progression in the previous video. But now whom to choose? So let's get into the video. So now we have just categorized the 15 players into 4 category. The first one is attackers, second one is midfielder, third one is defenders, and the fourth and the last one is goalkeepers. Now, the ultimatum is whom to choose according to your team. So, if you have all the players in game previously, you can go for Wayne Rooney, that is a new card, or you can go for Gareth Bale because he is having Blitzkrieg skill, that is most pay to win skill in the game. But keep in mind one thing, that Bale is not having that eye pleasing stat, but he's not bad either. But if you are going for attacking perspective, Forlan would be your pick because he is having goal poacher play style with a crazy stats and 101 kicking power. Van Basten and Bebeto are same type of player, although Van Basten is taller, so he will be great in aerial balls. But Bebeto, as he short-heighted, he will not achieve as much as peak aerial balls like Van Basten. Wayne Rooney is a complete package, but not that much of hype stats, but he is decent. Now midfielders, Xavi Alonso will provide you as well as defensive and attacking output. Dragan Stoikov, he is more of a dribbler rather than a passer or a shooter. So you may go for him. Kaká is a new card, new version of Brazil. He is having phenomenal pass. His passes will be absolutely great. So you may go for him also. Paul Scholes, he is known for his shooting, but this card is not that great. The previous England version, whole player Paul Scholes is much better. So if you have Paul Scholes, skip this. Denilson is one of the worst card in this pack, so I will prefer not to go for him. In defenders, we have Cannavaro, Cáceres and Puyol. Cannavaro can play as a wide centre back, as a right back and a main centre back. He will be absolutely great. He will winning the headers, but not against like tall players, 195 plus centimeter heights. He will not winning the headers against them. Cáceres, he will be utilized in left back. By giving him defensive instruction, you can play him as a defensive fullback, but that doesn't make a sense. You can play him as a CB, he will perform like a destroyer. Puyol, we already have a much better card of Puyol in game, so this Puyol is not that much hyped, so I will suggest you skip this Puyol. In goalkeepers, Oliver Kahn and Casillas are the last two options. Cassius in game, he is not great and his stats are not up to the mark for this card. But Kahn on the other hand, he is a taller version than Cassius and in game Kahn is decent. So if you have every player in this pack, go for Wayne Rooney. If you got Wayne Rooney in the free spin, then go for any other option according to your team. In which position you need the player, these are the rankings, these are my verdicts, you can pick from there. So that's it for today. Let's tune with us for next video, and for more such interesting video, please like the video, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. So this is come to an end. I will bid you guys a farewell.